Hi guys, happy Thursday. Like I said in my last video, today you have 3 skills, but those are because they should be review skills, things that should come pretty easy and shouldn't take very long. I'm doing a video right now for E.6, so I'm in IXL. I just come over here, I click on 6, which is divide two numbers, two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. So once again, pretty easy. One thing that I might do to help me out is I might make a list of all of my tic-tac-toes, just so I have them. So counting by 2s, 3s, 4s, all the way up to 10s maybe, or maybe don't do 10s because they're easy. Kind of up to you. But I am definitely, on whatever page I am working on, going to write down my important, the helpful stuff for division, which, as you guys know, is our little saying, dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. Once again, D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, S stands for subtract, B, bring down, R is repeat or remainder. And as you can see in this first problem that generated for me, I'm probably going to have a remainder. So I have 4 goes into 76. Now, if I was looking at a tic-tac-toe, counting for 4s, 4, 8, 12, and I'm not even going to keep going up right now because I'm just showing you. 4 goes into 7. Well, that's too big, so it has to be 4. So 4 goes into 7 one time. That's my divide step. My multiply step is 1 times 4 is 4. Then I subtract. 7 take away 4 equals 3. Now to the bring down, which means, hey, I have a number up here, I gotta use it. So I draw my little arrow and I bring down my 6. Now it's repeat or remainder. Since I brought something down, I know it's repeat, which means go back up to division. 4 goes into 36. So this is where I'm gonna need more of this filled in. I'm only erasing that 4 because it had a circle on it and I don't need the circle. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. My favorite thing about 4s is you can sing them like row, row, row your boat. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. But I don't need to do that. So I go, see if I can get to 36. Oh, I can. So that's my divide step. 4 goes into 36 how many times? 3, 6, 9 times. Go to my multiply step. 9 times 4 equals 36. I subtract. 36, take away 36 is 0. I bring down, oh, I have nothing to bring down. It's a 0, so I don't even have a remainder. So in this one, my answer is just going to be 19, remainder 0. Hit submit, and I got it right. I'm going to erase my tic-tac-toe. I would keep a tic-tac-toe for each of the numbers, like I said, on a piece of paper for you. But for right now, I don't have a ton of space, so I'm just going to leave it. But I am going to have my dad, mom, sister, brother, rover up. This time I have 5 goes into 74 how many times? So for this one, 5, the divide step, 5 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, and I get 2. Bring down the 4. And then I'm going to repeat. I go in. 5 goes into 24. 5 doesn't go into 24 evenly. It goes into 20. So 5 times what equals 20? If I had my tic-tac-toe, I would just look at what goes in as close as possible without going over. In this case, it would be 20. 5 times 4 is 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. I subtract. I have 4. I have nothing to bring down. So since I have a 4 down here and not a 0, that means this comes up as a remainder 4. So my answer for this one is going to be 14. Then make sure you go to this other box after where it says R to put your 4. If you type this in, it would be 144, and that would be wrong. You want to make sure you use 14 in one box and 4 in the other. Ooh, this one's set up a little differently. So remember, it's saying 59 is divided by 4. 59 gets broken up into 4 equal spots. 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. I subtract 1, I get 1. Bring down the 9. 4 goes into 19. How many times? It doesn't go in evenly, but it goes into 16. So 4 times 4 equals 16. I subtract. 19, take away 16 is 3. Since this isn't a 0, I know it comes up as my remainder 3. So this time my answer is 14. I move to the other box, remainder 3, and hit submit. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then we're going to move on to the next skill because I know you guys are really good at this. 95. 8 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, and I get 1. Bring down my 5. 8 goes into 15. How many times? Well, 8, 16. That's too big. So it has to be 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, and I get 7. So this is going to come up as my remainder 7. I know some of you guys are like, Miss Hickam, we know how to put a remainder as a fraction. Totally fine. This one is just asking for the number and not the fraction. But I'm glad you guys know how to do that. As I'm doing these videos, try and see if you can do the steps before I can. I do it kind of slow so you guys can practice, but I know most of you have got it down. 22 divided by 2. Let's see if you guys can beat me on this one. So I'm going to do 2 here and 55. Oh, I said 22 divided by 2. It's 55. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract and you get 1. Bring down the 5. 2 goes into 15 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract and you get 1, which means my remainder on this one is going to be 1. So my answer is going to be 27. Move over to that other box, remainder 1. I think you guys have got this. Good luck. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.